Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a previous CAT question, a question on speed, time and distance. Here comes the question. Can you please make an attempt and then continue watching this? Two circular tracks T1 and T2 of radius 100 meters and 20 meters respectively touch at a point A. Starting from A at the same time, Ram and Rahim are walking on track T1 and track T2 at speeds of 15 km per hour and 5 km per hour respectively. The number of full rounds that Ram will make before he meets Rahim again for the first time is. So the first track is of 100 meters radius. The radius of this track is 100 meters. The radius of the track is 100 meters. But what will be the length of this track? Length of this track is nothing but the total boundary, that is the circumference. So the length of this track T1 is going to be 2 pi r, 2 into pi into radius 100 meters. So it is 200 pi is the length of this track because the radius is 100. How about second track? It is 20 meters. If the radius is 20 meters, the length of this track T2 will be again its circumference, which is 2 pi into 20, which is 40 pi. And the two tracks are touching each other at A, and Ram starts walking on this particular track at 15 kilometers per hour speed. Rahim is walking on track 2 at 5 kilometers per hour speed. So both start at this point A. When will again, first of all, we'll find out when will Ram and Rahim meet again at this point. First of all, to complete one round, how much Ram will take? Ram's speed is 15 kilometers per hour and the length of the track is 200 meters, means to complete one round, the time required by Ram will be distance by speed. Distance is 200 pi, speed is 15 kilometers per hour, but here since these measurements are in meters, so the speed cannot be in kilometers per hour. Let's convert into meters per second. 5 by 18, denominator will go to numerator. You can see here 5 40s, 5 3s, 5 8s, 3 6, it is 48 pi he will take. So to complete one round, Ram will take 48 pi. What about Rahim? Rahim, to complete one round, the time taken by Rahim is the distance, that is 40 pi, by the speed. Speed is 5 kilometers per hour, that is 5 into 5 by 18. As I said, you have to convert into meters per second. Denominator, it will go to numerator. You can see 5 eights. So it is 144 pi by 5. Now, to complete one round, Ram takes 48 pi. To complete one round, Rahim takes 144 pi by 5, means when they meet again at A. A is nothing but starting point. If you recall, the time required to meet at the starting point is nothing but the LCM of time taken to complete one round by each of them. So LCM of time taken by one person, first person is 48 pi and second person is 144 pi by 5. And now LCM of fractions is LCM of numerators by SF of denominators. When you try to find LCM, it will be 144 pi. This is the LCM. So after this much time, they both will meet again at the starting point. But the question is not asking after what time will they meet. The question is asking by the time they meet for the first time, how many rounds Ram will be completing, how many number of full rounds that Ram will take. Ram will take 48 pi seconds because the speed is in meters per second. We convert it into meters per second. To complete one round, if it takes 48 pi seconds time, and in 144 pi seconds, how much time he will take how many rounds he will complete, means the number of rounds is 144 pi is the total time, and for one round you take 48 pi, means by 48 pi it will be 48 threes. So Ram will be completing 3 rounds by the time they meet. So hence my answer is choice B. Right? Students, please do subscribe to my channel for all the latest videos on CAT and other important examinations. For a comprehensive course on speed, time, and distance, reach my profile at Udemy, and the link is given below. Thank you.